Hey everyone, it's Bailey with Twiddy and Company and your January 5th construction update of the brand new home being built in Duck, Frankly My Dear, unit number B643. Let's go take a look at some of those views and what's going on. Here we are on the first floor oceanfront deck. As you can see, I actually have some horizon views from just the first floor. From the second floor, and then from the third floor deck, views just keep getting better and better. Duck Research Pier off to the south, and let's go check out the extra deck. And then from the fourth floor, a little extra deck up here. Tough to beat these views. See over just about every house on the horizon. Pretty cool. Looking to the north from this fourth floor deck. Should be some good sunsets back there. Inside now on the third floor. So you'll have some nice views out of this window from this room. Have the sound on the horizon from the ship's watch. Be able to see some good sunsets.